Hi friends, this is our fourth issue about holidays in China. In previous reviews, I showed you the hotel, where we spent our vacation, our room and the most important thing in vacation, the sea and the beach. And in this video I'll show you what we had for breakfast at Huayu Resort. These were mostly classic Chinese dishes, and we had a poor variety of food to choose from for breakfast. But despite this, everyone can find something for themselves. I often ate rice noodles. But among sweets there were a lot. Or it just seemed so to me, because I'm not a sweet tooth. Large selection of cereals, many types of juices, sweet buns, different sweet jams. Comment on the video, like and tell new reviews friends.